The drone community is buzzing again. And this time, it's all about the DJI Air 4. A new wave of leaks has landed, and they're stirring up a lot of excitement. Whether you're a seasoned pilot, a content creator, or just a drone enthusiast, this one's for you. Today, we're diving deep into the leaked details of DJI's upcoming Air 4. What's changing? What's new? And why does it matter? Let's get started. First, let's talk about where these leaks came from. The most talked about image comes from a well-known insider in the drone world, Jasper Ellens. He shared what looks like an early prototype of the DJI Air, for it's not a polished product shot. In fact, the drone in the image appears to have crash damage. Okay. But even with that, the image gives us valuable clues. And in the world of tech leaks, it's all we need to start making sense of what's coming next. At first glance, the Air 4's top cover looks familiar. It sticks to DJI's signature aerodynamic style. But look a little closer, and you'll notice changes. One of the first things people spotted was a pair of large front sensors. These are different from the ones on the Air 3. And that's where things get interesting. The new sensor design appears to include a LiDAR-based array. LiDAR, or light detection and ranging, is a technology that uses lasers to map the environment. It's used in self-driving cars and high-end drones. If DJI is putting this tech into the Air 4, it means serious upgrades in obstacle avoidance, depth sensing, and night flight capability. LiDAR systems send out rapid laser pulses and measure how long it takes for them to bounce back. This allows the drone to understand not just that an object is nearby, but exactly how far away it is and what its shape looks like. That's a huge step forward from traditional sensors that rely on contrast and light patterns. With LiDAR, the drone can fly more confidently in complex environments, like forests, tight alleys, or indoor spaces. Now let's talk about another visible detail: the LED beacon on the top of the prototype. This might not seem like a big deal at first, but it could signal enhanced night visibility, both for flight safety and legal compliance. In many regions, drones need to be visible during low-light conditions. A strong top LED could help with that, especially for long-range or high-altitude flights in certain countries. Flying at dusk or in darker environments requires visual line-of-sight aids. That top-mounted LED could function as both a visual locator and an anti-collision beacon, helping the drone stay within regulations while boosting safety. For professional drone pilots working in low light, this small change could make a big difference. There's another shift happening, and it's subtle but important. DJI may be moving away from wide-angle corner sensors. These were commonly seen on past Air models. They help detect obstacles diagonally in front of the drone. But this new leak suggests that DJI could be going all-in with LiDAR. That means instead of using multiple types of sensors placed around the body, the Air 4 might rely on a more advanced, centralized system. If true, this would simplify the design and potentially make obstacle detection more precise, even in tricky conditions like narrow corridors, dense trees, or dim light. Removing multiple separate sensors in favor of one unified system could also cut down on power use, helping to extend flight time. It would also reduce complexity in repairs and maintenance. Fewer parts, fewer points of failure. This kind of design choice reflects DJI's trend toward making drones smarter, simpler, and easier to live with for long-term users. Let's not skip over the drone's arms and build quality. Compared to the Air 3, the leaked Air 4 unit has thicker and more robust arms. This isn't just for looks. It could mean improved flight stability, especially in windy weather. Stronger arms can support better motors, reduce vibrations, and handle minor impacts more effectively. It's the kind of detail that shows DJI is listening to feedback from real-world pilots. The result? A drone that feels more solid in the air and performs more reliably in rough conditions. Even more, These reinforced arms could hint at improved payload support, while the Air series isn't meant to carry heavy attachments. Stronger arms could mean better vibration damping and motor efficiency, especially during aggressive maneuvers. That means smoother footage, less drift, and better performance overall. Now let's think about why this all matters. Drones are often flown in unpredictable environments: beaches, mountains, forests, cities. Stability and obstacle awareness are key to getting that perfect shot or completing a safe flight. If the Air 4 brings enhanced structural durability and better environmental sensing, then it's not just a small upgrade. It's a major leap in confidence for pilots everywhere, and there's more to speculate about. Some rumors point toward 360-degree obstacle detection. Now, this hasn't been confirmed in the leaked image, but it's being widely discussed. DJI may be planning to use LiDAR across multiple sides of the drone: front, rear, top, and bottom. This kind of coverage would give the Air 4 near-total awareness of its surroundings. It would mean better autonomous flying, smoother tracking, and stronger protection against crashes even when flying sideways or backwards. This would also be a dream for creators using automated flight modes like Follow Me or Waypoint navigation. The drone could make its way through complex paths with less risk and more confidence. It's one thing to follow a person down a straight path. It's another to follow them through a forest trail, ducking under branches, navigating uneven terrain, and still holding a perfect angle. That's where next-level obstacle sensing matters most. Let's pause and connect the dots. So far, the leaks suggest a drone that's smarter, tougher, and better equipped for demanding conditions. It's not a total redesign, but it's a refinement of what works taken to the next level. With the right sensors in the right places, the Air 4 could deliver smarter reactions and smoother navigation than any drone in its class. And while we're still waiting for official specs, the design changes alone hint at DJI's focus. They're not just chasing better images, they're aiming for a safer, more stable flight experience. That's especially important for creators who need to focus on framing their shots, not dodging trees or worrying about drift. So what's our takeaway from Section 1? This isn't just another Air series refresh. It's a signal that DJI is moving closer to merging professional drone features with a mid-range price and user-friendly build. If the Air 4 includes LiDAR-based obstacle avoidance, robust arms, and LED beacon, and 360-degree sensing, then we're looking at a drone that could appeal to both hobbyists and pros alike. It's smart, it's sturdy, it's shaping up to be one of DJI's best Air releases yet.